Good morning, my name is Argelio Macera Bolivar Zavala and today I'm going to show you my process about my hydraulic bride based on Pascal principle. The materials we are going to need are rules, scissors or something to cut, illustration board or any paper board, glue or silicone, syringe and tubes. I start by making some molds in paper in order to make it easier when I have to make it in the paperboard. The pieces I used were a rectangle of 22 by 5 centimeters and I cut the corners to form that figure. I also cut a rectangle of 18 by 2 centimeters and cut one of their corners. Then I cut another rectangle of 21 by 8 centimeters and I mark in the 9 centimeter. Then I made that figure and divided it into two. After I have all my pieces drawn in a paperboard, I start by cutting some parts with the scissors and the other with the cutter. Here are some of the pieces I need to make the base. With that, I paste two small rectangular in the first piece, that is the one without the corners. This will help us to make the base of our bride. Here you have to be careful in order to not burn yourself. I use silicone, but you can make it with another type of glue. I make 4 of them. Then I use the largest rectangular and where I mark the 9 centimeters, I make a shallow coat. This will help me to blend it. Then I paste the smallest rectangular to the previous rectangular to make the sidewall and the borders. Then I cut a little bit the corners and make sure that it bends correctly. Then I mark 14 centimeters in the base. That will be my reference to paste the street to it. It is good to say that I only put glue in the part that is not going to move. That means the 9 centimeters. After that, I make sure that everything was correct. So I decide to paste it on a paperboard to set it. I make that with all the pieces to make my actual bride. And I add some sticks to help me to set better my structure. Then I decide to paint all the pieces and the structure. I put 2 types of red and in the street I put green. When I have it, I decide to paste the last pieces I left and finish to paint it. Finally, I paste the bow syringe above the bride. I used colored water to show better my product. Here it is, the brides go up and goes down.